Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today I am preparing Mexican rice. This delicious, protein packed, complete meal can be cooked in just 30 minutes. Please check the description section for the ingredients. To begin with, I have pureed 1 tomato along with few cloves of garlic, a small amount of onion, and 1 jalapeno. Heat up a pot. Add a little amount of olive oil followed by adding chopped garlic. Saute it for a minute. Then add the chopped onion. Fry till the onion sweats and then add the washed and drained rice. I am using long grain rice, and mix so that all the rice is coated with oil. It is the time to add the pureed tomato, garlic and jalapeno and onion, followed by adding paprika powder, chili flakes, cumin powder, dried oregano, and season it with salt as per taste. Mix all the ingredients and now it's the time to add the vegetable stock. I'm adding around 2.5 cups of vegetable stock for 2 cups of rice and cook till the rice soak up all the stock. And now it is the time to add the veggies. So I'll start by adding black beans which are boiled already, followed by red beans, sweet corn, and few chopped chunks of bell peppers. Mix it and cook it for 5 minutes with the lid on. To finish up the dish, I'll be adding few leaves of cilantro, and the dish is ready for serving. Today I am serving this along with guacamole dip, so I'll be smashing up 1 ripe avocado, adding up crushed garlic to it, season it with sea salt, squeeze out our lime, add few chillies, a little amount of fresh cilantro leaves, and chopped onion and tomato. Mix it and top it up with little amount of sour cream, and the dish is ready for serving. Please click the like button for this recipe. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post new videos. Thank you.